Hello folks, this is Tony Drake with Drake & Associates with a November 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. October was a generally good month for stocks as they recovered some ground after a turbulent September. Let's take a look at a few of last month's major events. Third quarter earnings season kicked off in October, and the news is pretty lackluster. Out of 253 S&P 500 firms that had reported in, profits were up just 2.4%, while revenues were down slightly by 1.4% over the third quarter. What does that tell us? It tells us that U.S. companies are still dealing with a lot of headwinds from issues like weak global growth, a strong dollar, volatile oil prices. But let's keep in mind that these are overall results. If we exclude the struggling energy sector, total earnings would be 4.7% on that's 1.3% higher revenues. There are also a lot of individual success stories from companies that have achieved great results despite the challenges. As financial professionals, our job is to help educate our clients and to find those success stories. In other news, the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee met again in October and surprised no one when it voted to hold rates stable. However, the official statement told investors to hold on to their hats because a rate hike might come as early as December if the economy stays strong. But our first look at third quarter economic growth showed that GDP grew a paltry 1.5%. Now, this is just a preliminary report, and economists will revise the data several more times. However, we can see that growth slowed sharply as U.S. businesses cut back on restocking their warehouses. That's going to cause weak growth, and the Fed may hold back on rate hikes this year. Very possible. However, many economists expect growth to pick up again in the fourth quarter given the underlying strength in the U.S. economy. So it could come down to a coin toss for the Fed. We'll keep you updated. That's it for November Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. December 1st and 2nd at Carroll University, and January 6th and 7th at the New Berlin Public Library. You can get all the information by visiting our website at wealthwisconsin.com. Once again, this is Tony Drake with Drake & Associates signing off for the month of November 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 414-409-7226. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe this information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed here are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or the solicitation for the sale or purchase of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investment advisory services are provided by Drake & Associates, a state of Wisconsin registered investment advisor. Insurance products are offered through a separate company, Law Financial Advisory Group, a Wisconsin insurance agency. Clients are under no obligation to purchase any recommended insurance products.